Mr. Azhan. Nice to meet you. I'm Vithiya Balakrishnan from Human Resources Department at Country Garden, and we saw your application as civil engineer at Country Garden in Job Street. So we would like to interview you. Tell me about yourself.
Good morning, madam. My name is Azhan Safawi bin Abdul Majid. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm a civil engineer with 9 years of experience managing construction projects from design to completion. After earning my degree from University Technology Malaysia, I'm started at Muhibah Engineering as a junior engineer, overseeing site compliance and technical solution. Currently, at YTA Compression, as a senior engineer, I lead teams on multiple building and bridge projects monthly while ensuring they meet all safety code and regulation. I particularly enjoy the challenge of coordinate between different teams to deliver project on schedule.
Okay, thank you for the introduction, Mr. Azhan. Can I know why do you want this position?
This role aligns perfectly with my skill in on-site project management and team leadership. I'm impressed by country garden large-scale infrastructure project and would love to contribute my experience and regulatory compliance and efficient project execution. The opportunity to work and challenging development while mentoring junior staff in exactly what I'm looking for in my next career steps.
Okay. What is your key strength?
My three main strengths are technical expertise in structure design and CAD software, practical on-site problem solving skill, and effective team management. For example, at YTL, I successfully guide my team through material shortage by finding alternative solution without delaying progress. I'm also skilled at translate complex technical and requirement into clear instruction for workers and subcontractors.
Okay. Next is what would you consider your weakness?
Early in my career, I'm sometimes over-focused on perfecting design, which could slow initial progress. However, I have learned to balance quality with efficiency by setting clear milestones and trusting my team expertise. This adjustment has helped me maintain standard while meeting tight deadline on recent projects.
Okay. Describe a challenging project.
One significant challenge was a bridge construction where we faced unexpected soil instability. I coordinate with geotechnical experts to redesign this foundation, renegotiation timeline with stakeholders, and relocate resources to critical tasks. By implementation, daily progress, I'm check and overtime rotation, we will complete the project just 2 weeks behind the original schedule despite the major setbacks.
Okay. Next is how do you handle tight deadlines?
I approach tight deadline methodically by first identify critical parts items, then delegate tasks based on team strength. For instance, when facing on compressed timeline on a factory project, I implementation
Mm,
overlapping work
mm.
shift and daily progress meeting. This keep everyone aligned and help us deliver the project a week ahead of schedule despite the time constraints.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Mr. Hazan, for joining us for the interview session today. We will call you back if you have shortlisted for second interview through email or WhatsApp. Thank you for joining us.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Hi, Puan Norzamsilawani. Nice to meeting you. I'm Vithiya Balakrishnan from Human Resources Department at International School, Newton International School. So yeah, we saw you have applied for teacher job position as LinkedIn profile. So, uh, tell me about yourself.
Okay. First of all, thank you for opportunity and very good evening to the interview panel. My name is Norzamsilawani Musa. I recently graduated from University Utara Malaysia with a degree in education, majoring in business management and a minor in mathematics. Uh, I love to teach and find creative way to make learning engaging. Currently, I'm working as a tutor in Pusat Tuition Pintar Ilmu in Kuantan. Before this, I also gained multiple experience as a practical teacher in a few schools. Through my practical tutoring, I have developed strong communication and classroom management skills. That's all.
Okay, thank you for the introduction, Puan Nursam Silawani. Okay, next. What subject have you taught in Pusat Tuition?
Okay. I have taught principle of accounting, business study and mathematics to both secondary and Form 6 students. I have also tutored English, science and Malay for primary school students. This experience have helped me improve my approach to different learning styles.
All right. Why did you choose to become a teacher?
I always enjoy explaining things to others, especially when it helps them understand something they found difficult. Teaching gives me a chance to make a real difference, not just in academic but in students, confidence and personal growth too.
How do you handle different types of students?
Actually, every student is different. So I try to adjust my teaching method. Somewhere need more visual and some learn better through practice. I used to like Google Classroom, Canva and quizzes to make lesson fun and effective. I also make time for one-on-one support when needed.
Tell us about a challenge you have faced while teaching.
Mm. During my practicum, I had a class that struggled with engagement. I introduced a project-based approach using a digital garden concept to make lesson more interactive. It's really helped both participant and make learning more meaningful.
Okay, what's your teaching style?
I am flexible and student focused. I like to use real life example, discussion, and simple technology to support learning. I believe in building a positive and respectful classroom environment.
What are your goals?
In the short term, I want to gain more teaching experience and keep move my skill lah. Long term, I hope to pursue postgraduate studies and contribute to improve education through innovation and empathy.
Why should we hire you?
I am a fast learner, passionate about education and committed to do my best. I bring energy, creativity, and a strong work ethic. Most importantly, I truly care about students and their success. That's all.
Okay. Thank you for joining us
You are
today's
welcome.
interview session. Okay. If you are selected for second interview, we will email or WhatsApp you for
Okay,
attend second interview again. Okay. Thank you so much, Puan Norzamsilawani, for cooperating
thank
with
you.
us.
Okay, you are welcome. Thank you.
Hi, Puan Nurhidayah. Nice to meet you. I'm Vithiya Balakrishnan from Human Resources Department at GT Max Construction. And we saw that you have applied for HR admin exec at GT Max Construction through LinkedIn website. And congrats, you are shortlisted for first interview session. Let's start for the interview. And tell me about yourself.
Good morning, Miss, and thank you for the opportunity. My name is Nurhidayah Binti Salleh, currently serving as HR and Administration Executive at Housing and Properties Selangor Sendirian Berhad. I have over 10 years of experience in human resources functions, including recruitment, payroll processing, performance evaluations, and employee engagement. I am currently pursuing my Bachelor of Business Administration with UUM, and I'm passionate about contributing to organizational development and improving employee satisfaction.
All right, thank you for the introduction. Next question is, what is your key responsibility in your current role?
Okay, in my current positions, I manage the end-to-end recruitment process from job posting to onboarding. I also handle monthly payroll processing, ensure all statutory contributions are submitted on time, and maintain accurate employee records. I assist with organizing engagement activities and help in managing performance review and disciplinary processes. It's a very hands-on role where I'm involved in both strategy and operational HR tasks.
All right, okay. Next is, why are you interested to join with us?
I'm drawn to GTMAT construction because of your reputation for valuing employee welfare and the structured HR practice mentioned in your job post, including performance-based incentive and annual trip. I believe the construction industry offer a fast-paced environment where HR can play a critical role in managing a diverse workforce.
Okay, all right. Next, how do you handle sensitive HR cases such as conflicts or disciplinary actions?
Okay, I believe in addressing issue yearly through clear communication and fairness. I listen to both sides, document everything, and follow company policies and Malaysian labor laws. For disciplinary matters, I ensure the process is transparent and respectful. My goal is always to resolve issue while maintaining a positive work environment and minimizing legal risks.
Okay. Next, can you tell me about the time that you had a implement a new HR process or system?
Yes. Recently, at my current company, I have implement a digital leave and attendance system. Previously, it was done manually, which caused delay and error. I coordinate with the IT department, train staff, and help migrate existing data. The system improve efficiency and transparency and reduce HR processing time by 30%.
Okay. How do you prioritize tasks when you have tight deadlines?
I use a priority metric to categorize tasks by urgency and importance. Payroll and compliance tasks always come first due to their deadline. I also break down large projects into smaller steps and schedule time blocks in my calendar. Communication is also key. I update stakeholders on progress and flag any potential delay early.
Okay. You mentioned in your resume that you are working with China-based clients. How do you communicate with them effectively across language and cultural barriers?
Okay. I am conversational in Mandarin, which help a lot. I also pay attention to cultural sensitivities, remain professional, and clarify expectation to avoid misunderstandings. I use visual aids or translated document when necessary and ensure all communication is documented for clarity.
Okay, all right. Thank you for the interview session, joining with us, Puan Nurhidayah. Thank you. And if you are shortlisted for second interview, we will catch back with you through WhatsApp or email. Okay, all right. That's all. Thank you for today.
Okay, thank you, Miss. Dah.
Hi, Miss Pavitra. Nice to meet you. I'm Vithiya from PacTech Asia. So today I'll be interview you. You have applied for logistic assistant at PacTech Asia. Tell me about yourself.
Hi, Miss Vithiya. My name is Pavitra, and I'm currently studying degree in Business Administration at University Utara Malaysia. I have an on experience in customer service, thematic service, warehouse operation, and administration support. Over the past few years, I have worked in several roles, include as a front desk officer at Horizon Remit Western Union, where I handle remittance transaction, verify customer identity, and aside in daily operation. I'm also currently working at Simfo Design Sendirian Berhad as an administration purchasing assistant, where I manage office operation, supplier coordination, and support the purchasing process, include import and export shipment. In previous role like warehouse and logistic clerk, I gained experience with ERP system, inventory control, and shipping documentation. I'm known to be reliable, detail-oriented, and adaptable. I speak English, Malay, and Tamil fluently, and I enjoy working both independently and in teams. I'm curious to apply my skill in a more challenging environment and give positive to your organization.
Okay. Why do you want to work in logistic or documentation section?
I enjoy organization, planning, and ensure that every item is where it need to be. Logistics play a role in company organization. I like working behind the screen to make sure operation runs smoothly. My past experience and attention to detail make this a good fit for me.
Okay, thank you. What do you know about Pactech Asia Sdn Bhd?
From my research, I understand that PackTech is involved in advanced packaging and microelectronic assembly solution. I believe the company is known for its innovation and quality standards. I expected about the opportunity to give to such a dynamic organization.
All right, okay. How do you ensure the accuracy of documentation?
I verify documents like DO and invoice against physical goods and purchase order. I use checklist to ensure nothing is missed, and I update to ERP system immediately. I also double check critical data before submission.
Okay, Miss Pavitra, what are your strengths?
I'm very organized, responsible, and detail focused. I also learn system quickly and enjoy solving problem, especially in area like logistic and inventory.
Okay. Where do you see yourself in 3 to 5 years?
I hope to grow into a more senior role in logistic or supply chain management. I did like to develop my technical and system knowledge further and take on more responsibility within a stable organization.
All right, okay. That's all for today's interview session. Thank you for joining with us. Maybe if let's say you have shortlisted for second interview session and we will call you back through WhatsApp or email. Thank you, Miss Pavitra.
Thank you, Miss Vithiya, for spend your time with me. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, Puan Roslaily.
Hi.
Welcome to TP Link. I'm Vithiya from Human Resources Department, and we will interview you today as we saw you have applied for admin executive position at TP Link. Okay, tell me about yourself.
Okay, thank you, Miss. Good morning. My name is Roslaily Lazim. I have over 15 years of experience in administrative role, both in the public and private sector. I hold a bachelor degree in business administration, and I am skilled in managing office operation, organizing meeting, preparing document, and handling communication. I'm reliable, detail oriented, and work well under pressure, especially during tight deadline or busy periods.
All right, thank you for the introduction. And next, why did you apply for the admin executive position at TP Link?
Okay, typically is a reputable and growing company. And I'm excited about the opportunity to support its operation. I believe my background in office management, document handling, and coordination of senior level meetings make me a strong fit. I'm also eager to contribute my skill to a teach-driven environment where I can grow professionally. That's all.
Okay, next, can you describe your responsibilities in your previous role at Media Selangor?
Okay, at Medis Selangor, I manage daily administrative duties such as preparing report, arranging meetings, coordinating documents, and supporting the media operation teams. One of my key responsibility was organizing board's meeting, ensuring all material were complete and properly distributed. I also handle travel arrangements and assist in planning company event like our annual retreat and so on.
All right, okay. How do you handle working in a fast-paced or high-pressure environment?
Okay. I'm used to busy environment from my time at both Media Selangor and the Fire and Rescue Department. I'm stay organized by using tasks like prioritizing deadlines and communicating clearly with a colleague. Even under pressure, I focus on accuracy and ensure all document and communication are properly handled. Staying calm and focus is key.
Okay. Next, what kind of software tools are you comfortable using?
I am proficient in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and I also use Power BI for simple data tracking and reporting. Additionally, I'm comfortable using Canva for internal communication materials or preparations. I pick up new software quickly and I am always open to learning.
All right, okay. Do you prefer working independently as a part of a team?
I comfortable with both. I can work independently with minimal supervision, but I also enjoy being part of a team and supporting others. In most of my past role, I've had to coordinate with multiple departments, and I find collaboration help everything run more efficiently.
All right,
That's all.
okay. That's all for today's interview session. Thank you for cooperating with us. And if you are shortlisted for second interview, we will call you back through email or WhatsApp. Thank you, Po and Roslaily.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Miss Vithiya.
Miss Vithiya, I'm Pavitra Vezyakumaran, Human Resources from Kin or Orlix Berhad. We received your email for production executive job. Can you tell about yourself?
Hi, Miss Pavitra. Nice to meet you. I'm Vithiya Balakrishnan. Thank you so much for the opportunity given. I'm Vithiya Balakrishnan from Rawang, Selangor. I had a degree in business administration from University Utara Malaysia, and I have over of 6 years experience in electrical industry. So currently, I'm the head of product at Unity Momentum Sdn Bhd, which I lead to product development, purchasing, serum related things, and then graphic designing. And I manage supplier relationship, especially in China, and ensure full compliance in regulatory bodies such as Serum, Suruhanjaya Tenaga, and MCMC. I'm passionate about delivering quality products that meet both market needs and legal standards.
Okay, thank you. Miss Vithiya, why are you interested in joining Kin Holdings Berhad?
Okay, why I want to join in Kin Holding Berhad is Kin is trusted household name in Malaysia for mainly for electrical appliances, and the product executive role aligns closely with my experience and interests. I admire Keen's innovation, especially for quality focus, and I believe my background in managing full product cycle, supplier coordination, and regulatory processes will contribute to the team's success. I'm also excited to be the part of a company that has both local impact and international reach.
Okay, thank you, Miss Vithiya. And for next question, you mentioned supplier coordination in China. Can you elaborate on that?
Yeah, certainly. I've been handling sourcing, manufacturing partnership with many China suppliers as well for several years. Like this includes selecting OEMs, negotiating prices, customizing the product according to the features and specification, and manage design packaging of each product. I frequently conduct video inspection with a supplier as well before the shipment arrive to our warehouse. So I also manage documentation for product certification like STCOA, which is certificate of approval for each electrical appliances, which requires factory compliance. My experience ensure that we get the right product on right quality on schedule.
All right. How do you handle regulatory approval for imported product?
Okay, how do I handle regulatory approvals for imported product is I manage all local regulatory requirements such as CRIM for electrical safety, MCMC for wireless products, and ST Suruhanjaya Tenaga for energy efficiency products. I prepare full documentations, coordinate with certification bodies, ensure factory readiness for audits. For an example, I have handled type approval from submission to license issuance, including resolving issues during surveillance of audits. My goal is always to ensure smooth product entry with zero delays in market.
All right, Miss Vidya. How do you ensure product quality after launch?
Okay, how do I ensure product quality after launch is I collaborate with my service team, technical team to monitor complaints of each product and identify common failure points. I also review product performance data and work together with quality assurance department to apply corrective actions. For an example, if a particular component causes a frequent service issues, I will either upgrade it with the supplier or develop a new replacement part to prevent future production specs failures.
Okay. How do you collaborate with department like marketing and e-coms?
Okay, how do I collaborate with departments such as marketing and e-commerce is I make sure the product specs, features, and packaging are aligned with the customer needs and brand direction as well. I provide product write ups, help with selling highlight points, and ensure needs and brand direction as well. Packaging complies with market regulation, and I also give final approval for listing in the content and product visual for online platforms.
Alright, Miss Vithiya. The last question. What makes you the right candidate for this role?
Okay, I offer a unique combination of technical product knowledge, regulatory experience, and commercial awareness. Okay, for your information, Malaysian regulatory compliance is very strict nowadays because now most of the importers are importing the goods without certified products as well. So I believe my qualities will help to contribute Kin Holdings Sdn Berhad for ongoing product success.
Alright, Miss Vithiya. Thank you for the interview section. If you select means we will let you know for the second interview.
Okay, thank
That's
you,
all
Miss
for today.
Pavitra. Okay, thank you
Thank
for the
you.
opportunity given. Thank you so much.
Okay.